basic straight skirt. This is our starting line, and this is our full length, which is 37 inches. I have only added 1 inch sewing allowance because we are having another 2 inch for the binding, so we don't want the allowance to be too much, so it's on 38, and we just have to indicate it like this. And after indicating like this, and then this is our starting point. Then our waist is 28 inches, which is here. Then divide it by 4. You bring it here like this. Then you indicate here. And then if you indicate here, you add ½ inch allowance. Okay? Then on the hip line, depending on with the person, but from our waist to our hip, we are having 7 inches, which is here. So you indicate it here with a straight line like this. And then our hip is 38. 38, again divided by 4. You bring it here like this. After you bring it here like this, you put ½ inch allowance. Then when you do this, you get your ruler. But before you get your ruler, we are going to go straight with this same hip, which is 38, divide by 4. We're going to use it on the down part here, like this, which is here, and we are going to come in, not outside here, but in, like this, with 2 inch allowance, because it's a long skirt. And then we are going to get our hip curve loop, which is this one, and we are going to do it like this, from here to here. I'm going to curve it like this, and after curving it like this, this is where our hip is. We are going to curve it like this. So when we reach here, we make use of our straight loop, which is this one, like this. Then we get our scissors or our shear. Then we don't cut this line here. We are going to remove this material first of all. Remember, we are cutting only the front part. And after cutting it, since this material is not the same here, I want it to be the same, the upper part and the lower part one for the front. I'm going to draw a straight line here, and I'm going to cut it like this. And after cutting it like this, I'm going to fold this material down here like this. Okay? Because the reason why I'm folding down this one like here, the lining will join from here going upwards. We don't want this edge or this end part on the bottom to have a join or to look like to have a join. So we're going to fold it like this, and then we are going to cut it together like this. Cutting it like this, we also cut this part like this. Then we create a notch here like this. Okay? Then for the back part, this is how we are going to cut it. We are going to fold this material like this. So I want you to pay much attention. This is where the difference is going to be. We are going to leave 1.5 or 2-inch allowance for the zip this side, 1.5 or 2-inch allowance for the zip. So to be exactly, let me say 2-inch zip allowance, like this. Okay, so if we leave this 2-inch zip allowance here, zip allowance 2-inch, we are going to go with these same measurements here. For the waist, from here, the actual waist, we are going to add extra, how many inch? We are going to add extra 2.5 inch, which is here. And the same thing, we are going to do it on the hip. We are going to add 2.5 inch here. And here on the bottom part here also, we are also going to add 2 inch here. So it starts from here and we add 2 inches here. So it starts from here to here, so it will be 1 inch here. So we get our curve ruler or our hip, then we shape it here. And we indicate it here. And then we make use of our straight glue, which is this one. Until we reach here. You indicate it here like this, and then you get your scissors. You even cut it off like this, and then you simply cut it like this, and then you also cut it like this. So what's the reason why hii ya kumbuyo utaijua ikulu ya kusogolo ni fupi? The reason is that back part we've got hips, or we've got the back part of a person, the buttocks. So this part, when we are joining it, it comes like this. We join it like this, it goes like this, helping it to be sitting properly and nicely at the back. So here also we create a notch. So we're going to fold it like this. When we start sewing, then we are going to join our lining from here until we put our lining up to this part. Thank you so much for watching. This is King Laston Designs.